In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a keep note to your Google Calendar event. Whether you're managing a busy schedule or just want to keep your thoughts organized alongside your tasks, this guide will help you seamlessly integrate your notes with your calendar. So let's dive right in. First things first, start by opening your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Once you're there, you'll see your calendar laid out with all your scheduled events. The next step is to locate this specific event you want to connect with a note. It could be an important meeting, a doctor's appointment, or any event where you'd like to jot down some thoughts or reminders. Once you've found the event, click on it to bring up the event details. From there, you'll notice a small pencil icon, typically located at the top right of the pop-up. Clicking this icon allows you to edit the event, opening up more options for customization. Now focus your attention on the right hand side of the screen. You should see a sidebar featuring different icons. These icons are tools designed to enhance your productivity within Google Apps. Among them, look for the yellow Google Keep icon, which resembles a yellow square with a light bulb. Clicking on this icon will open Google Keep directly within your calendar view. Next, hit the Take a Note option. This is where you can start writing down anything relevant to your event. It might be a list of things to remember, thoughts about the meeting, or any other piece of information you find pertinent. The flexibility of Google Keep allows you to be as detailed or as brief as you wish. As you write your note, you'll notice an automatic link back to the corresponding Google Calendar event. This integration means that you can easily reference this note from either app, keeping all your information seamlessly connected and easily accessible. Once you're satisfied with your note, click Done. This action saves your note within Google Keep and effectively links it to your calendar event. This feature ensures that your notes are not only saved but also contextually aligned with your schedule. There you have it, the note is now permanently associated with the event. Whenever you click on that event, you'll have quick access to your linked note, making it easier than ever to stay organized and prepared for whatever life throws your way. With these steps, integrating Google Keep with your Google Calendar is both effortless and efficient. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your productivity by synchronizing your notes and schedule. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps streamline your day-to-day planning. Until next time,